Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. Well, if you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning member, welcome back. And if you're a new member, could you please share, like, and subscribe to the channel? It helps other people know when we post videos. Well, today we're going to be making our all-time favorite over the years, and because they're very high in carbs, I found the low-carb spaghetti pasta that I'm going to be using, and I'll show you the pasta. It's from the, now I've bought their marinara sauce and the pizza sauce, very clean on carbs. I would say that if you're doing keto, this probably is not for you because it's got a lot of carbs in it, but for low carb, it's fine. It's 45 carbs per serving. It is the Rayos brand, and I'll have the macros on the back of it, okay? So what we'll do out in the kitchen, we'll fry up a pound of 2080 ground chuck, and we'll use a can of the this kind of sauce. It's a smaller can, and then we'll put some diced tomatoes. It's basil, garlic, as you can see. These are all very clean ingredients, by the way. And then we'll use some tomato paste. And then I'll put some salt, pepper to taste, onion powder, garlic powder, oregano, Italian seasoning. And then I bought some, a triangle cube of Parmesan cheese, or Parmesan Reggiano, is that how they call that? And we'll actually use a hand grater, we'll grate it right into the ground beef and the sauce when everything's all cooking up. And then we'll cook the pasta up over the stove. Now, before we put the pasta in, you only have one chance to season your pasta. At that point, we'll put a little bit of kosher salt in, maybe about a tablespoon. And then after that's fully cooked, we'll drain the water. Now, remember about, I don't know if you guys are aware of this, but when you're cooking pasta, always reserve some of your pasta water. And then we have it in reserve maybe about a half a cup. And then when we add the spaghetti noodles back into the sauce, we'll put a little bit of that pasta sauce water to agitate it, to get it, give it a really good flavor. And we'll come back in the room and we'll talk about it and give you my taste test. And I never had that particular brand of spaghetti before, but I'm not doing keto anymore. Sometimes yes, sometimes no, but most of the time right now I'm just back on the low carb brain. I've been vigilant when I'm eating, and I'm eating everything now within moderation. And that's the whole key. Once you reach a certain goal of weight loss, which I am right now, I'm 215, 211 because I lost 4 pounds for the month. So I feel pretty good about it, and I'm pretty good going off of ketos certain days of the week. So 3 or 4 times a week I'll probably do low carb and keto and OMAD and carnivore and that sort of thing. I'm changing things up every other day, and just to make it interesting and keep my body happy. And spaghetti makes me happy, and it's again, I'll leave the I'll find that at the grocery store, by the way. And they got a noodle kind, not like the bowls, the pasta bowls. I was gonna buy both packages. They go for like $3 a piece, and and again, if you're doing low carb, that's okay to have, I would say, but just be aware it does have carbs, but and that's how I've been very, very successful, losing well over 130 pounds now, and over a 2, maybe 3 year period. I officially started my weight loss journey on August 17th of 2020. But without further ado, we'll go into the kitchen, start cooking everything up. I'll show you the process of how I make my sauce, and show you the process of cooking up the noodles and adding back the water from the pasta water to the sauce after the noodles are cooked, and come back and just talk about it, regardless whether or not I like it or not. And I have some peppers and onions that are already frozen and pre-chopped, so I'll probably just take a small palm handful and dump it all in. Now, when I make a spaghetti sauce, everything is all just, to taste, and you can have whatever you want. That's the great thing about spaghetti sauces. You can add whatever you want in it and make it your way. And so don't criticize me for eating pasta. This is perfectly fine for low carb. And that's what we're doing today. We're doing a low carb meal. And today is Wednesday, and it's, remember the old commercial was Prince Spaghetti Day. But anyways, without further ado, let's go right into the recipe. Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Ron's Keto Cafe. Well, today we're having a low carb meal. Again, if you're doing keto and you're concerned about your carbs, I probably wouldn't have that. But if you're doing low carb and you know what your macros are and your calories, and keep your portion size under control, you should be fine. And this is the Reyes spaghetti pasta. I wanted to try it. I tried it earlier a little bit when I was making sure it was cooked. And that's what it looks like. It's really good. I just, there's no sugar in it. Unlike traditional pasta. I mean, I really like it. So this is a game changer. I wouldn't have this every week, but maybe about once a month. And instead of cooking up the whole pound, maybe just cook up what I want to eat for that day. So here you go.